Oh! Forward hip tilt.
Oh!
Just let the head fall.
Oh my.
Head fall. Very. Oh, fuck. Good enough slide. Very. No. Oh, very good. Just let it go. There. Awesome. And drop the head to the left, drop it.
Wow.
To the right, drop it. All the way out.
Oh!
To me? Oh, yeah. Relax a lot more, though. There you go. There you go, that's better. Yeah, nice. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. Probably be a little bit louder, leaning back onto me. Yep. Okay, just nice and easy. Again, just let that muscle go. Oh, that's it. Squeezing those elbows, though. Oh. Just the line of the shoulders. There you go. Oh. Back, just trust me. Just trust. There you go. Nice. Okay. On this one, really just let the neck muscles relax. There you go. The more you relax, the better. Oh, it's already moved a little bit. There's the rest of it. There we go. That's better. Oh. Together. You. Also right there. Nice. Let the head go.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Mm.
Whoa, holy crap.
Oh.